Well, hello everyone and welcome. My name of course is Eric from aperturealley.us. So we're starting a new segment called MailTime. This is the opportunity where you guys can send us packages, letters, whatever, and we read them to our dedicated audience. So we have a couple things that are from viewers and companies that are gonna be showing off today, but also I personally buy a lot of stuff for this company. So I'm gonna make Zach do all the unboxing. He has no idea what is being unboxed. Now, this week isn't gonna be super exciting. We have a lot more coming, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, let's jump over to Zach because he has all the packages.
Hey guys, it's Zach from After Alley, and we're starting a new thing, and we're gonna do like a mail time kind of thing, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Here we have a letter, and by the way, Eric doesn't tell me what he's putting on this table and having me open, so alright. This is from Nutsack. We reviewed one of their bags, if you saw it. Right here, it's like a briefcase kind of thing. Really good bag, really high quality. Greetings. Greg and Matt here from Nutsack. The end of 2017 is quickly approaching. We wanted to take a brief moment and personally send out some heartfelt gratitude for your support this year. And we are grateful for the opportunity to have worked with you this past year, Greg and Matt, and their signatures. So thanks, Nutsack. 330 Changebridge Road, Suite 101. If you guys want to send us stuff, please do. From Honolulu. Wow, look at that, from Hawaii. All right. All right, we got a, looks like a movie? Public Art, a light and satirical drama about photography and art. Hi Eric, I would like to get your feedback about this movie we made. With your interest in photography, I thought you might not mind doing this. The film was especially meant for photographers, and hopefully you will appreciate some of the inside jokes and references. From Greg Keast in Honolulu. Thanks, man. We're definitely gonna watch it. Oh God, I don't know what this is. And we got our special unboxing knife. Go 9? I don't know what this is. Eric's laughing in the background at me, so. A power adapter?
Okay, that's just the wrong box.
Another power adapter. Another
It's just power adapters for our cameras. So entertaining to you guys.
Alright, another package from the same company, Go 9. Alright, same exact thing as the last box. Alright, now we got a big... Probably the same thing. Alright, we got some of these guys. Alright, that was entertaining. A lens mount adapter. Okay, okay. This is to a Canon FD mount. Oh, this looks cool. Rechargeable LED light ball. User guide. Look at that. Alright, so it comes like this. Oh, what the hell?
Fancy light.
Oh, that's groovy. Green, blue, white. No, it's on manual. All right, whatever. All right, this thing's pretty cool. All right, well, that was all the mail for today. Thanks for getting me stuff, Eric.
Yeah, it's not yours. Thank you, though.
Eric's never
Thanks
gonna...
for opening that. Can you clean up the mess?
Yeah, Eric's never gonna say any of this stuff again. He's gonna clean up the mess I just made. So, that's it. I'm Zach from After Alley, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Thank you very much for watching today's episode of MailTime. Again, if you want to send anything, you can send it to 330 Changebridge Road, Suite 101. That address is on our YouTube channel and hopefully down in the description. Anyway, I hope you liked today's video, and we'll catch you in the next one.